Hello, Burlington Public Schools. This is Digital Learning Coach Michelle Artizzoni, and I'm happy to be demonstrating how to embed a YouTube video into Google Slides so that it can be used in a Seesaw activity. Let's begin with the teacher steps. Teachers, locate the YouTube video that you'd like to share. Click on Share at the bottom of the screen, and then click to copy the link to the video. Next, navigate and open Google Slides and start a new file. Click on Insert, click on Video, and then at the top of the screen, paste in the YouTube video link. The video will appear as a result of the search. Click on the video, and then click on Insert. Now you have successfully embedded the YouTube video into a Google Slide. Remember to edit your settings to give anyone with the link view access. Please also remember to copy the link. We will need this link in Seesaw. And after those two steps are done, click on Done in the bottom right corner. Next, we will navigate to Seesaw, where you will create an activity, either from scratch, and then tap here on the Creative Canvas to click on Link. Once your next screen comes up here, please click to paste in the Google Slides file link that we just copied, and then click on the check mark. You can also insert the link to the Google slide here by clicking on Link. And when the link menu comes up, you can paste it here, again, your Google Slides file link, and click on the green check mark. Either choice will work. Once the video has been added to the Seesaw activity, you can add a text box with an arrow if that might help your students locate the link to tap on. After you are done with any edits, please click on the green check mark and then click to save the activity. Let's take a look at the student steps. Students would sign in to ClassLink and then Seesaw and tap Add Response. When they open the activity, they can see the link by tapping on the link icon at the bottom, and this, when tapped, will open them up into Google Slides in a view mode of that video. The student will then look to the top of the screen, tap on the play button, and present on this device. A video play screen will open. A red play button will show, and students will tap the red play button, and the video will begin playing. If you have any questions about embedding a YouTube video into Google Slides to use in Seesaw, feel free to reach out to me, Michelle Artizzoni, or any of the digital learning coaches on our team. Thank you.